Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So for you see from the title down below, a realistic week in the life of a college student. So college edition. So now I'm getting ready for my first class, but before my first class I will be going to do an apartment view with one of my friends, and then I'm gonna get my first class. So the time now is 9:38. The apartment view is at 11 o'clock. I don't know why I'm getting ready so quick, but I might go eat some breakfast like I'm so early. And then I have my class at 12, and then I have class up until 5 o'clock. So let's see how today ends up. I have a presentation this week. I think I have a presentation this week, and I have a literature review to send in this week. So we're gonna do it together, okay? We're gonna do this together. You're gonna help me to finish what I'm doing, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I grab Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video, okay? So first, I have on this brown crop top. I don't want to show you guys too much because I don't have on too much, okay? This brown crop top from Shein, and this black leggings from Shein. Girls, I am in love with leggings. Like, it's my go-to look. I love leggings so much. I'm gonna pair it with some slippers that I don't really wear those slippers, so you know what, let me get my microphone because this dog a bark like him never that bark before, but he hear me I start my YouTube video and him start to bark. So now I'm done put on my clothes. I go spread my bed. Oh, did I hear something tear? Hey, I'm angry, you know. So this is the look. I'm gonna pair it with my brown slippers and my brown bag, my brown Shein tote bag. Yes, I'm a Shein girlie. If another cashmere me use are the jergens age defying. This smells really good. This is strong. This one, age defying, vitamin E, E and C. This smells so good, girlies. So today I look girly. I think I look girly. Yeah, I look girly. So I'm gonna go in with my Victoria's Secret Midnight Bloom, but I'm gonna spray it when I'm leaving. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Girlies, you can check it out. You can buy it on Amazon on the Victoria's Secret site, or you can just walk into the Victoria's Secret store and buy it. So this is the destruction.
brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
basically this should just be a touch-up. Embarrassing to Ratty. You never have to embarrass me, so girl. Why your head looks so, mama? Why your head looks so, mama? No, sir. Guys, I'm telling you something. Why they may do a wigging stop and oh, it look like it lace a move. So hey, don't play with me, na girl. Yeah, I'm doing a wigging stop on TikTok. I may comb out my ear, the wig me pop it up too. Go pop on TikTok, go watch it. My name Coco Skin 1876. I mostly do. Ooh, oh my god, that's supposed to be so loud. My hand slapped the mic. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Bookie. Whoa. What time is it? It's 10:05. I should be out of here before 10:30. So I just get a call, so it interrupted the video, and during those time I was just flat ironing the ear, flat ironing the ear. You see, when I know the girl is them a flat iron on the ear. Yo, know the stress, you know, you have this one part where there's no flat iron. So guys, I get the flat iron from one of my friends. I tell you, the flat iron bad like was in name Revlon. Oh my god, it eats, bro. Revlon. This look like my natural ear, and I saw the little look. Stay down, man. Cutie. But cute. So right now, I'm gonna put back everything when we find it. Spray up myself and get ready for go. Get ready to get this apartment viewed and thing. But think like from the pictures, I like it. I don't know if she likes it, but I personally like it, and she wants my opinion on it because I have little expertise in finding places. All right, I am ready to leave out now, so let's go. They are look for the place and can't find the place. Let me tell you what happened. I just stop an old man and go. I said, but Jamaicans are good on today, you know? The man's going to go so and take a little turn so because the two were to go so and some for just go so a little bit. Him a go down. And him look confident, you know? Him look confident like he must. Oh, see? Just say the property manager.
So when she I leave certain things to me, say, okay, so I'm the property manager. I see you on the inside.
Oh, I'm more money that man, I don't know.
Because sometimes when the time hot,
yeah,
you feel heat, right? But I like when people comfortable. You're a good man.
No, as in enjoy for us get it right away.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, Mr.
But
Arnold.
as I say, you know, I have no problem getting a taxi here.
Come to the sink, yes, sir.
I change that.
Where light then here? Where light switch?
So every switch there, yes, sir.
Sorry.
We use a neutral color.
Oh.
So we have to take out all of the color them.
Yeah. Can the house, you know, so also better with.
You just call me, I'm going to fix it.
Oh, 2, 3 line, 4 line.
They use strip light, you know. I don't put strip light.
Yeah, no most of you pay your own light bill.
That me just have to remember, you know.
Run so go have to clean up in Mr. Arnold.
Don't worry yourself, as I said to you. So like when you come, it works, me know you come and you say yes, you want the place.
The ghetto. So when you hear all of that, yes, we're in the ghetto, back gates. So I'm heading to school now right now. Me see the house. The house look nice. I think she might get it 2 room, one nice little, the bathroom big, nice little kitchen. The kitchen not too big, you know, nice little spin around 360 kitchen. You have a washing line. I look at in the veranda, but she can't, you know, she can't. Me never show in the veranda because some stuff is depend on it. So I'm not showing all of that. So the man say I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call her when she reach home and we're gonna talk about it and we're gonna dice up, or we need to dice up and dissect and talk about, you know, the moving process. But yeah, I have class at 12, so I have like 15 minutes before I reach class. So let's go.
And in these instances, each instance rather, the story of one woman. So you may have heard of an autobiography. An autobiography, you were writing about your own life. It's my story.
So just finished my first class of the day, going over to Juicy to get something to eat, and then have my second class. My second class finished 5 o'clock, 3 to 5. So we have a little day ahead of us. So yep. So I'm now inside a classroom about to eat my cocoa bread and curry patty and my mango peach drink and watch my show until it's time for my other class. The time now is 2:22 and my class starts at 3, so I have a couple minutes to watch my show and eat. So I'll check in back with you guys when the class begins.
And we learned that by certain things that they impose, that the British colonial power, certain things that they impose by the laws, the land taxes and all of that, and the working conditions.
So I'm out of class now. My phone them one so it might just dead. I've been like me sleeping at the people in class. Guys, me I forgot on today. It was so boring, like oh my god. The lecture boring, like sorry to say, it's just my honest review. But it was so boring. Let me tell you why boring. It boring because there was supposed to be a presenter, and then somebody else was supposed to basically do a debate and find the fault in them presentations and all of that. But the person never knows that them they're supposed to do a discussion of the presentation. So the presenter just did it, and the teacher basically scolded the person who was supposed to do the discussion. I tell them say them can't do that because you know we're at university now, and by right in they're supposed to give them another chance. Guys, I am now home doing some work on my iPod. I might not be eating anything tonight. Like I won't be cooking, sorry. I will be eating maybe some snacks or something because I don't really feel the vibe to eat any food. I'm so sleepy. So this Monday ends here because to be honest, I'm tired. But tired guys, no man, me just asleep. So no, because me not go to bed at night time, me I stand up, me I stay up and me I watch Grey Anatomy. Grey Anatomy, sorry. Grey Anatomy. I mean I will watch it because it's getting so interesting. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday.
Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five, I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five, I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need somewhere to spend it. I just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip, so you know it's not winning, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, they saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way.
Guys, I'm here, totally hungry, totally late, totally tired. Walking to my class. I'll reach in the next 5 minutes. And so I'm late. Teacher gonna ask me almost late. And then I go say to her, so me totally tired.
Reviews, that's what I'm calling them. It's an accident, right? Yeah, but yes. I think of pantomime.
So, class has just finished. I'm going over to Bees Eye to get some soup because I'm gonna drink, I'm gonna eat the breakfast in the morning. So I'm gonna get some soup. I might even cook soup later on again, or maybe some bully beef and rice. But let's head over to Bees Eye. One Bees Hive. So I buy soup and then come buy baked chicken. So I am in a classroom about to eat my baked chicken. So I'm gonna buy a soup. I buy baked chicken. Not sure I'm going to another plate. But just find one classroom guys. Because I can't bother. I get overstimulated easily with a lot of people around me. It just started happening. I never usually stay, so I usually love when time enough people around me. But since recently, I can't stand for have too many people around me talking. Like, I used to love to sit in commuters lounge, but now the noise level in there annoys me. Like, it made me can't eat properly. It's like my head kill me. My head kill me when I'm going to commuters lounge. Sorry, they're talking the business, so for the media, but commuters don't know, my head hurt me. They're so loud over there. Oh my god, so I'm here literally by myself. So this is how my food is looking. I tell the people them some more vegetable, them just give me this cucumber. I try start up with UA Wi-Fi to watch a show, but Mona Connect is not connecting. This is how the food is looking. Just let us do a taste test. The plate is too clean now. Okay. And taste the seasoning. Not bad. Great. Only thing the food I want are some pear. Guys, I just walked around a little bit to deal with some school issues. I walked over to exams, then to my faculty office, and then I'm back inside the room that I have my next class. The time is now 12:49. I have my next class at 2. My classes, I have 3 classes for today, which is 10, 2, and 3 to 5. So my last class ends at 5, and then I go home. I might go do a little shopping and cook some soup later, or if I'm not hungry for soup, I might just eat some corned beef and rice. But let us see what happens. It's really a boring week, nothing much to do.
Montserrat, etc. in the 1630s and 1640s, and then Jamaica in 1655. Before sugar became a staple export and before the influx of enslaved Africans, the early English Caribbean societies were in constant flux and were not viewed as colonies of settlement, but as sites of commercial exploitation.
Good morning again. Cut under my eyes. Like literally no sleep. No sleep at all. This is not laughing, you know. This is not smiling. This is just, you know, not smiling at all. Don't know what I'm gonna do today. But today, oh my god, I'm so tired, guys. You don't even know. Let's get ready for go to school right now. After 8 right now, class start 9 o'clock. I go shower, brush my teeth. I already get up and eat ramen. And guys, if you don't know me, you know so I'm gonna get up and do breakfast. So that means it's like I'm so tired that I just get over the fact say I'm not gonna sleep this morning, and I have to just carry on with life, and life is just life in right now. Cause why I can't sleep at night time? Why I only can sleep at morning time? And why light gone this morning? So that means I can't have my fun, and if I can't have my fun, I can't sleep. So therefore, there is no sleep for me.
I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Drop the Porsche, put that bitch's sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on the station. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said make a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club boss that you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you meet him all. You said you left your ex, that you was always cash. You said before me you ain't never been this happy. You took an L with him and winning ever since. You in my phone, I'm on my way, I can't complain. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way.
Heading to school. I see the 5%, but me I run pan right now. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for y'all. I'm so sorry for anybody who have to encounter me today, because I feel like I'm gonna be real moody. Because let's imagine not sleeping and having to go to a 9 o'clock class, and your class overall ends at 7 p.m.
idea is that these people are going to kind of, who should also be experts in the field, in your field or in your research area. They read the work, you know, to see that you have been following best practices in terms of the work that you have produced, to see if it's logical, if it lines up with the previous studies that have been.
What kind of comments should you make? Here are 2 things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to prioritize. You probably won't have it.
Okay, so I'm gonna pay some bills, you know. You're gonna come with me. And I'm gonna see how that work out. I should have my tripod in. I'm gonna like have up the phone on my hand so because my hand gets tired. Like yesterday, this is off topic because what I'm about to say right now, but I saw a girl yesterday with a medium Telfar bag in the color burgundy. Like, sis, you're that girl. You're that girl, honey.
How much more do I gotta drink for the pain?
Thank you. How much a pound for yam? No, the ground products that I want to catch. So guys, I'm walking back to school. I'm spending off the whole of my cash. I buy yam. Guys, something just happened a while ago, and this is a living proof of some people just never get blessed the right way. Because, alright, I just buy the yam a while ago. You see, she say $450 a pound for the yam. The yam look good. So I say, alright, I buy the yam. You know, I said the woman, I buy half pound because I never have enough cash. So for them, I only have $3.50. And bear in mind, if I have the cash, I may buy even £2 because I love yam. Remember some of I love. I have $3.50. She said she's gonna give me half pound. Do the math, half $4.50, which is $2.25, right? Which is $2.25. I have $3.50. She not ask me how much I have or not, you know. She does say she not really like sell half pound because a problem that, which is alright. I must have fair product. I know some of the $3.50 and I'm say to her, so just give me how much this worth. You know, say she did show me the measurement of the. She did show me the measurement of the how much will I get, the half pound will I get, and me say I gotta give the whole $3.50. You know, so the woman give me the same amount. What should I give me for the $2.25 for the $3.50? I say no, I just get her money. I just get her money. I mean, some people just not gonna get blessed because of how them stay mentally. You hear? When I need for, I need to give you a tripe and chew on the ribs or on the kidney. But sometimes, when you just read the room and just know, say, and not everybody knows a thief. Yeah? Alright. Now back on campus, actually going to the bank to get some cash because I'm broke, as you guys can see. Is that Ricardo, people? Is that Ricardo? Let's give a hand up for Ricardo, guys. Yes, that vlog. One community, always a represent.
Hi guys.
I will offer the community, but always a represent. I am now in a class, sitting, settled, waiting on my waiting on my next class at 1. It is now 1 minute past 12, and I'm just waiting on my class, to be honest. I wanted to be in the AC room, but the AC rooms are occupied, so it's just fans. It might be very loud in the video, but just know so I'll be a fan around me because the place is hot. So I'm gonna watch my great autonomy. I also have a presentation today. I hope it goes well in the name of Jesus. Yeah, it's just a vibe so far. I might not get something to eat by 1:30 or after my class at 2. I might go get something to eat at 12:30 or after my class, after my next class. Get it? Yeah. Alright. So I just went to BI to get some food. To get fried chicken. Which may get the barbecue chicken because the fried chicken look really. So I'm not really too pleased with that. So get the fried chicken. A small fried chicken. You know, not too much. That looks like a lot. It's not. It's not a lot. I'm gonna look at taste test food. The beehive. Usually when I eat food over what is this name, like welfare. We have been there and the time is now 12:32 and I have class at 1 upstairs. So yeah, I'm sure what I want. It's like a nearly bird. Here's the chicken. No man. Something right. It tastes good, guys. See my bag is $600. The meat tastes raw. The rice tastes like a native bird. I burn, but then try to fix it. So I'm waiting on my second class for the day to begin.
So from 1910 to 1920, African American populations migrated in large numbers from the south to the north, with figures like W.B. Du Bois leading the Great Migration.
So guys, my second class for the day have finished. It's now 2:30. I'm waiting for my third class and that starts at 3. Is it 3? If it's not 3, it's 4 o'clock, but I'm not sure. So I'm now sitting and watching a movie before my third class of the day. So I have 4 today. Okay.
Primarily concerned about what's going on in the US, right? So all those doing the Black experience.
Yeah.
You're gonna, Martin Luther King and so on. I don't know how much he traveled outside of the United States, but these people were more or less concerned with Black people in the United States, right? And then you have people like Garvey, who were much more global in scope, thinking about Black people everywhere. So there is such a thing as Black nationalism within your country as a whole, Black nationalism on a more kind of global scale. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
All right, so we have Garveyism. Garveyism is a Black nationalist and Pan-African movement founded by Marcus Garvey that advocates for racial pride, economic self-sufficiency, and the unification of all African descendant people. It emphasizes the importance of self-determination and the establishment of a sovereign African homeland for people of African descent worldwide. So this movement started in the early 1910s. So the influences, so I'll be highlighting the influences of Garveyism. So the first one would be Pan-Africanism. Let me zoom it.
So I do think that if you go back into a deeper historical perspective, you're going to see that Caribbean nations still hold that against Jamaica. Because the movement that was supposed to unify the Caribbean, Jamaica withdrew from.
Right. Well, I mean, a lot of these things we're going to keep talking about. Independence. And, gosh, what's the name again? Yeah.
Guys, I just done my presentation. My presentation bad. Like, me, I come out 100. Cause I say Rastafarianism, negritude, and Garveyism. So as I was saying, I said the nice everybody, and at the end, I give the kids. You know, kids are big people. Them. I'm maybe the youngest one in the class. So at the end, I gave away some treats, especially to who participated the most, because everybody participates. Everybody, like, this is the first. I know, sir, love what I did just now, because was the first class where everybody participated in the class. Usually, sir, I hope I don't see this, but usually the class dead. Usually the class dead. So if you beg them for talk, it's when I'm start talk, I'm start run to a joke. Me say the class pop up. I'm mad, you know, guys. I am so intelligently mad.
The case of Daniel Schumann versus R in 2009. Whether the death sentence imposed was appropriate given the specific circumstances of the case.
So guys, just finished my class. Let me up and cross the road. Just finished my class. That class was so nice. Like, I always participating. I ever chat. You see me? I always participate. Trust and believe me. I go talk. The teacher them know me. Them know say me name Makhalia Spalding. You know, some teacher every week the teacher them ask this one picnic what them name. From the first week, the teacher them know say me name Makhalia Spalding. Like, I just mean that period. I'm going home now. I might go and go cook. Maybe not. I'm not promising on no. So guys, I've reached home and showered. I'm now gonna cook out ramen and eat. I'm not gonna do the whole soup. I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm just not in the mood, to be honest. I lick up my foot, my beard, I come on my beard and everything. I lick up my foot and look like some big toe chip off. So I'm just, I can't bother. What I'm gonna do right now, cook some ramen, watch show and go to bed. But tomorrow will be more exciting. I promise you. Tomorrow and Friday, I'm gonna pick up. So don't lose me right now. But for now, I'm just gonna eat some ramen, watch some movie, go to bed. Tomorrow, Friday, I got y'all. Good morning, guys. So this morning I've laid out everything for me to cook my soup. I'm gonna go for a mic. Mic check, 1, 2, mic check. Alright, perfect. Sure, no, I have everything here. And I finna see properly. So I have more Irish potato, yam, more flour, more okra, more pepper, more carrot, more pumpkin, raw seasoning, me cock soup mix.
Coachy load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers stink like alligator pan. Whiskey crack today we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop but the beretta jam. Long time we no kill a man. And we circle lemons like the later man. Set a bomb, make a jam. So we must catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber schemers like Shabba Motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody struck, every banana. Spin like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 shot fire, every man a drop flat. We run here so everybody back. We badder than everything we bad. Madder than everything we mad. Black rain fall when you see we not. Steel pan a beat like Trinidad. When we step in the street like criminal. Cheat up your weekly the minimal. Funeral, dinner yam. Nobody have you, don't give a damn. When they grab a schema like Shabba Motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strapped, every banana. Spin like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 Coachy load from in a Netherlands. With the grabber stink like alligator pan. The scheme hot with them, me a the weatherman. Why should I trap body baby better jam? A long time we no kill a man, so we circle them inside the letter man. Set a bomb, make a jam, a create fire. So we must catch a man. When the grabber schema like Shabba Madapa. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every pan and a food things. Ready? Grabber stink like alligator pan. Whiskey hot today we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop body baby better jam. Long time we no kill a man, so we circle them ends like the little man. Set a bomb, make a jam. So we must catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber schema like Shabba Motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a dap. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. We run here so everybody back. We badder than everything we bad. Madder than everything we mad. Black rain fall when you see we not. Steel pan a beat like Trinidad. When we step in the street like criminal. Cheat up your weekly the minimal. Funeral, dinner. Nobody have you, don't give a damn. When they grab a schema like Shabba Madapa. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a dap. Country load from in a Netherlands. With the grabber stink like alligator pan. The scheme hot with them, me a the weatherman. Why should I trap body baby better jam? A long time we no kill a man, so we circle them inside the letter man. Set a bomb, make a jam, a create fire. So we must catch a man. When the grabber schema like Shabba Madapa. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every pan and a food things. Ready?
Guys, the moment of truth, you know. So I have two, I have my fork and I have my spoon. It smells so good. Chano. I'm hungry the soup, so I love soup enough. I'm like I love soup. One pepper I'm putting it now. Say that's supposed to spicy. Guys, this smell like this tastes like granny soup. You know what is granny soup? Your granny ever cook a soup yet? This tastes like the boy that married to me. Oh, Irish potato soft, it melts in my mouth. Melt when I'm mouth. Okra and soup, you say no? No, sir. No, sir. Me have to married. The boy have to propose when he tastes the soup, yeah. The vlog will end right here. I might show you guys when I'm, watching my movie and doing my schoolwork, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl Dipping Chocolate uploads another video.